Good evening all, this hot Tuesday day after Memorial Day here in New Jersey. And I got the turntable working now. And they sent me another one and the same thing happened, but it was a procedural problem. So, and then there's the 3-stall roundhouse that I'm building, and I have to take some of the track railroad ties off of that one in the front, the first one, and then the other two I did before. As I have wire soldered on that one track, so I have to unsolder it, and then I can take off all the ties. So here's the controller. It's on service track 1, which is where that engine is right now. And I just had to do some track work to get it lined up properly. So we're going to run that right onto the bridge. Oops. I had the wrong engine on. Let me get it there. 4310. I gotta go turn those engines off. Okay, yeah, recall 4310. Put it in forward. Going onto the bridge. It hiccups a little bit there, but I got to make some adjustments once I get it all straightened out. But now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate that. So that's service track 1 right here. This is service track 2. The first one in the building there is track 3. Middle one's 4, and the outside one is 5. So we're going to go to 6 now. And what we're going to do is hit this here CCW and rotate that around. I'll let you see it rotating. You don't see me put my finger on the controller. Now I could have went right to the head, but I like to do it on the tail side. This way I know all the tracks. It can clear all the tracks. And we're getting close to it now. I think it's on it. One more dash. Yeah, nope. That's close enough. I can always move the track. So anyway, I can't run it on there anyway because those tracks aren't powered up yet. So now that I got this working, I can finish up the power and then work on my building there. Unfortunately, with that building, I bought the wrong kit. That's just an add-on one, and they don't have sidewalls, so I had to see if I can get the sidewalls for it. So it's going to take a while to get that thing finished. But anyway, so what we do now is we hit the track button, and now we have number 1 flashing. So we hold it down until it starts double flashing. There it goes. And then we hit the up, and now we're on 6. Then we hit tail until it stops blinking. Now 6 is set. So now we're going to go to number 7. That looks close enough. We hit track again. And it doesn't matter what number you start on. Just hit it until it goes double. Now it's double flashing. And then, I was going backwards again. And go up to number 7. And then hit tail. And now it's set. So if we want to go to track 6 again, I just do this, down arrow to 6 and hit tail, and it moves over to there. And if I want to hit track number, let's see, 3, 4, if I want to do track 4, just go track and do tail, and now it's going to go to the center stall of the Roundhouse. Oh, it stopped. Why did it stop? Try that again. Oh, it's miscoded. Maybe I didn't code those up right when I was doing it, but let's just move it there. Oh, I know why. I moved the Roundhouse around, and that moved the tracks. That's why. So there's 4, and I can just reset them. I got to move it up and out of there anyway, so I'm going to have to reset them all. But you guys get the idea. So it's working. So now I'm going to go back to track 1. Hit track number 1 and hit head, and that should stop with that building right at service track 1. There it goes. Now I'm going to run the engine right off the track. And there it is. So that's my Walthers turntable project, and it won't be complete until I get that Roundhouse done. But once I get the Roundhouse built, then I'll just tie up all these tracks and put power on them and go from there. So that's it for tonight. Just wanted to show you guys that my turntable is now working and it's in operation, and more details on the turntable Roundhouse and everything will be coming in the future video. This is Tom, and everybody take care.